Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing my Boxycharms. I have here the Luxe and the Premium this month for June. We're gonna go get on it started. I did take a little quick look so that way I knew what I was kind of looking into. We have our card here and it says Dare to Dazzle right there. And let's see, it's full of goodies, this Luxe box here. Oh, ouch. This Luxe box here. I can tell you that there's something in here that is very herbally. It doesn't smell pretty. So let me just tell you that right there. The first thing here we have, let me find it. It is the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter here. Retailing for $38 right there. Open this up. Probably not gonna be able to smell it, probably be sealed. Oh no, I lied. It's a very light scent. I don't know what I'm smelling though, but kind of got the lid all messed up already. Let's see. It doesn't have a smell. It doesn't have a smell when you rub it in at all, but it kind of has like a slight scent. It almost kind of smells a little bit orange, papaya, something like that, but other than that, there's really not a scent to it. Moving on, we have the NARS blush in the good old and trusty Orgasm blush here. It retails for $30. Let's see if I can get it out. Let's see. Love the NARS matte, you know, packaging. Oh, look at that. It's covered right there. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see because of my stupid ring light. Let's take this off. Yeah, my ring light's too bright for you. But it's a pinky. Oh, there we go. It looks a little bit better back here. There you go. Right there. I still am trying to get used to this camera. I keep looking over here where the little view thingy is, and instead I'm supposed to be looking at you guys. Please forgive me as I'm still adjusting. I still like my other one that I have. I still have the other camera, but I use that for more when I travel. This one stays put in the room. So, can't get the package back together. Alright. We have here the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Styler Eyebrow Pencil and Powder Duo. I do like their brow pencils. It's actually what I do use, and I'm interested and intrigued about the powder part of it. Let's see. Okay, and that is what it looks like right there. Okay, the regular, it's a bigger pencil. Looks like that, shaped like this. You can see. There you go. And then we have the powder. Goes in here. And it's right there. And since I do, like I said, like their other two eyebrow pencils, I know I'm going to like that. And what do we have next? We have Avant Skincare. It is a hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. I don't even want to say how much this goes for because it is so tiny. And it looks just like a regular lip gloss. Like right here. See what I'm talking about? It's just like a regular lip gloss. Right there. Oh, I'm going to get to how much it costs in a minute. You'll see. It's just a regular clear lip gloss. $122 this goes for. Yeah, I'm glad I got it in a Boxycharm because I wouldn't have been ever paying $122 for a lip serum. We have here, we have the NYS collection, Clarkson Avenue sunglasses. A couple of these I was able to choose. I think I was able to choose the brow styler and this, the sunglasses, and I was so excited for the sunglasses because my other ones that were my all-time favorite I actually had purchased, was one of the last purchases I bought at our hospital where I work at. The gift shop had closed and it was my last purchase there. It was on sale and they were so stinking cute. So once I saw these, I had to get them. They have that pretty little detailing right in here. Gold accents. This is what they look like. Hello, ring light. That's what they look like. This is what they look on. Love them. I think they're cute. Look at this. Yes. Yes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. My type of sunglasses. I feel fancy. Fancy, fancy, fancy. And these cost $40. And I've never paid more than $10 for a pair of sunglasses. Yes, I'm a Walmart girl. I am not shy to say that. I have purchased from Target too. But $40, that's expensive. And I'm going to have to really take good care of those. The next thing I have is the Aromatherapy Association. Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel. I don't know about this. This is what stinks. It's very herbally. Almost with a lavender smell. Let's see. It says oils of juniper berry, grapefruit, rosemary. That's pretty much what's in here, and this costs $46. I don't know if I'm going to be using this. Sorry, my hair's in the way. I might as well use it for something. Get it out of my face. Get it out of my face. Oh my goodness. I have something that was from my last haul in this one. Don't mind that. I really don't care. You guys are going to see that haul anyway. I don't know. This really stinks. I don't know why I keep sniffing it. I don't know. Maybe I'm trying to get used to it. Who knows? I don't know. My hair is really starting to tick me off. I have this one piece of hair that just wants to bug me. Yes, it's hot. My hair's up. It's frizzy. I don't care. And I'm also doing a foundation review too. On the foundation I have on my face. So that'll also be up. But most likely that will be up maybe before this one. If not, you'll be seeing it after this one. Who knows? Don't know when I'll be posting either one of these videos. Moving on, back to what I was doing. I'm getting sidetracked, as I usually do. My mind wanders. The next thing is the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream here. Cute little Pride packaging. Oh my god, you guys can't see. Oh, there we go. It's cute. It is, like I said, a triple antioxidant face cream, and this goes for $64, and it says it's a new launch. So I'm taking it that they don't have this normally and it's new. So here we go. Here, let's focus on that cream. I'm excited to try something from Dr. Brandt. I've heard of Dr. Brandt products being amazing for your skin, and like I said in multiple videos, I will do anything to help the aging process. Next, last thing in this box is Milk Makeup Kush Liquid Eyeliner. It is $22. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Can I get you out? Why are the cartons so hard to get out? It's just the regular here. I don't know. It's pigmented. Let's see here. Cool. I haven't used liquid eyeliner in a while. I usually do it like if we're going out for like nighttime fun, bar, club, whatever we're doing. But you know, with the thing that we just had in 2020, I haven't been using any. Just been doing regular old stuff, and I'm not going to wear liquid eyeliner just to sit in the house. So it'll be fun to finally start being able to use stuff. Now on to my premium box here. Let's see. Once again, card says Dare to Dazzle. Ugh, that styrofoam stuff just really gets on my nerves. First thing we have Dominique Cosmetics. It is a transition palette. It's an eyeshadow palette, and it goes for $48. Let's see the back of the colors and stuff. It looks like a really pretty neutral colors. Can never get into the packaging. It keeps ripping up my cuticles every time I shove my thumb in it. Oh, it says Transition Palette, Dominique Cosmetics. I don't own anything from her. Here it is here with all the... Let me move that out of the way. The colors right there. Very pretty neutral browns. Got a black in there. Dark charcoal. Very, very everyday to evening. And it is all matte colors. So perfect. Just get yourself a couple of single glittery eyeshadows, whatever, like maybe two. This, you call it a day, and it's perfect eyeshadow palette. Excited to try that. Looks beautiful. Okay, next we have another eyeshadow palette. So I get two eyeshadow palettes in this box, and I have the Lorac Unzipped Brazen Eyeshadow Palette. This goes for $25. Let's see if I can get into this packaging any better. It looks like this here. Right there. Some more neutrals, kind of with a little pop of coral. These two eyeshadow palettes really can go good together. And we have two shimmers in here. So that's good. Just like I said, get two shimmers. So those two eyeshadow palettes would go great paired with one another. I feel like I broke my nail. I think I did. Oh no. What am I gonna do? Next we have Wonder Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight. I'm trying to look at the box and read at the same time. It's the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. Here's the beautiful packaging here, right there for Wonder Beauty. I never can get in. Oh, goodness gracious. There's a sticker on it. Got it open. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. This is pink. It almost looks opal-y packaging here. As with any skincare that I get in any of these boxes, I will not be doing reviews too much on, because for skincare you need to be using it for a while to know if it works or anything, to be able to tell anybody. So it's kind of hard, especially when I have my own face regimen right now and I'm scared to put anything on my face to break out. But I will be using it. Next we have Mapillum Eye Cream. Is it Mapillum? If you can read that right there. It's eye cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. It is $39. I have never heard of quinoa extract in any kind of skincare. That's very interesting. I eat quinoa. Next we have Lorac Alter Ego Lip Liner. Let's see what color we have. Can I get into any of this packaging, please? It's a pretty berry color. Very summery. Oh my goodness, it almost matches my nail polish right there. It's almost close. Pretty berry color. Put that, throw that on, put some gloss, call it a day. Alright, we have here, it's Floss Beauty, the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. It's a little raised up, little peachy moment right there. Let's see what color we have here. Ah! Hello? Oh, it screws off. Oh, that's a pretty color. Right there. It's like a corally peach color. Swatch it on my hair. There it is right there. It's actually really pretty. I like that. I don't really use... Why am I trying to jam it in? I just got done saying I had to unscrew it. And I'm trying to jam it in like a lipstick. What am I doing? Probably because I'm filming 3 or 4 videos in one day. My head is like blown off. And it's hot. And I'm a little tired. Alright. That is all I have in my Boxycharm boxes here. I will be doing a try on of some of the items that were in my boxes here. Probably in the next day or so. And then that video will be up after this video. So probably this video will be up on a Friday and the other video will be up on a Sunday. I'm probably going to start doing it that way for Boxycharm boxes. It's just too much for me to film in one day, both segments. So what I'm going to do is break it up. Like I said, I'll do the unboxing of the Boxycharm on a Friday. Or at least I'll have it up on a Friday. And then the try-ons I will have up on Sunday. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you again, everyone, have a great day. Thanks.